thank you very much for being with us here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
And we will see there.
The procedure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Egaan daawwattoota keenyaa turtii Dr. Abdul Samadii wajjin gochaa jiru keessatti IVF maal akka inni ta'e nu ibsaniitu jiru. Amma immoo laaboraatoorii keessatti akkamittiin hanqaaquu fuudhanii spermii wajjin walitti dabalanii akkamitti hojjetu kan jedhu walii wajjin ilaalla. Hanqaaquu haadha manaarraa spermii abbaa manaarraa ergi fuudhanii booddee akkamitti akka isaan hojjetan laaboraatoorii keessatti ni ilaalla. Ergi hojjetanii booddee immoo haadhatti akkamitti akkan deebi'u ibsanuuf godhu turtiin keessan ammas waliin ta'u. You took the egg from there, and then from where the process started?
Okay, once we take the egg from the patient, the doctor, my assistants are delivering it into me. Then I put a dish such like this, which there is media in it, and covered by paraffin. Once I check the eggs with the empty dish, and I wash them at the side of the test tube, here at the outside part, make them clear from the blood and from any other fluid, and put them at the center. Once they are collected and finished, I just cover this, label the patient, the name of the patient, and put them in incubator. After that, after 1 hour, then I take them out. I denude the egg, means remove the cumulus cells with the help of enzyme which is called hyaluronidase, which is in one drop, in this drop, and the other drops I have washing media, which are all covered by paraffin. Okay, once I have those eggs all, use a pipette called pasture pipette like this one. Clear them out with the inside the hyaluronidase, put them in the second wash media, again in the third wash media, using a smaller pipette again, clear them out, wash them out, then again smaller than that, a smaller pore with the pipette again, I take them off and put them the other drop and clear them out, and then transfer them into a final drop which is called a culture media, which I prepared them with different drops, okay, and keep them in incubator. After half an hour lapse or 1 hour lapse, then I take them out and do the injection. The injection procedure, you will see it now.
Okay.
Okay.
So you took the washed eggs from here, and you put in
incubator. Yes. Yeah.
For half an hour.
Yeah. At least 1 hour minimum.
Minimum 1 hour.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about the sperm? Do you do anything here?
No, the sperm is not here. The sperm is actually in a test tube. They are already washed, cleared, remove the seminal plasma, wash with media twice, and keep them in incubator or outside for at least half an hour. Then their sperm swim up with the good ones. Then we remove the good one and put them in another tube and label the patient's name and prepare them for the procedure. Once we are ready with the sperm and with the egg, take the sperm and put in a drop like this, which is called PVP, which I have a drop here at the center, which is called PVP. PVP means it's like a jelly material which can stop the sperm from moving fast. Yeah, it just move very little. Then from there, and I put the eggs in these 3 drops, 3 eggs at a time, and take the sperm and inject into the eggs with our inverted microscope. All right. Okay. Yeah.
So how many eggs do you take from patients?
It depends with the stimulation. Yeah. How much she gives us, it depends. She may give us 1, she may give us 10, she may give us 15. It depends. Whatever she gives us, we just clean it out. We clean the cytoplasm and we clean the cumulus cells and prepare them for the ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection.
Wow. So let's see the.
Yeah. So we'll see the procedure how we are doing the ICSI. Okay, this is a patient which is already prepared. I'll pick up, before I pick up sperm, I put already sperm here.
Sperm here.
Yeah, so let the sperm stays in a place. Yeah. In the meantime, we will prepare the ICSI injection needle with the bigger microscope. Okay. Yeah, by the way, all our items are all sterile.
Sterile.
Oh, yeah, they are all imported. We don't have anything to prepare in this area. Okay, this is called an injection pipette, and this is called a holding pipette. So I have to prepare first the holding pipette. This is actually called an inverted microscope. This is the holding area. This is the injection area. So I put the needle into the holding into the arm of the injection pipette, the holding pipette, and the injection I put in the arm of the injection pipette. Okay, and they are controlled by hydraulic, which there is paraffin inside it. They will control the air. They will control everything for me before I do an injection. So first I remove if there is any air in the injection area. Now I remove it. There is paraffin coming out. I put the XC needle in, holding it with my hands. I try to close it. Okay, it's now tight. Clear if there is any extra paraffin in it, and put it back into the microscope. I have manipulator, right and left. Okay, and the power has to be open and make it ready for the injection. So this is called the X, this is the Y manipulator, and this is the Z manipulator. Okay. So in order to see them and prepare them, I have to push it a little bit down and prepare, make it tight and hold it so that I can see it in the proper channel. Okay, and also the X is the same way. Okay, I don't know if you can picture the holding pipette on this side and the injection pipette on this side. Okay, I can see them under a microscope. They are clear. Up there if you can see.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the holding, the blunt, and that's the XC, which is very sharp. Okay.
So you're going to inject by that one?
Yeah, I hold the sperm from here. Bring it up all the way down, and then I hold the egg with this one, and I put the sperm into the egg.
Together?
Yes.
Oh. It's very sharp.
Yeah,
this one is very sharp.
Yes.
Yeah.
This one is blunt.
Blunt because it brings the egg.
Hold the eggs.
Yeah.
The outside.
Wow. Wow. Yeah.
All right. I'll bring the sperm and the egg, and you will see now.
Yeah.
Okay? This one is our big incubator where we can keep the media. This is protected with the temperature, carbon dioxide, and pH. It's also humidity inside. This one has no any humidity, which is called table form incubator. It has heat, 38 degrees centigrade, 37 degrees centigrade, and carbon dioxide, which I showed you the channel they come into, and here there is a regulator. And I regulate the temperature, the level of the carbon dioxide that I need for the eggs. Okay. So I took the egg and put in the center drop. I need to put back this into the incubator. Take it, okay. And our egg is here, and the sperm is also ready in there. This is our manipulator. Okay, so everything is fine. We'll put the sperm into the drop here. As I said, everything is sterile. This is the sperm. Okay.
So you took the sperms.
Yes, I put the sperm. Then you will see under microscope how the sperm looks like. Okay, these are the sperms. They are swimming in a small drop. Okay.
Yeah.
They are swimming very lightly,
Swimming,
very
yeah.
nice. Yeah. Because it's viscous, they won't run like normal.
There are so many.
Yeah, so many of them. From there, I only choose one and stop it, and I do go into the egg, and then I inject. All right.
So you took it by the needle.
Yes, I'll take it by the needle.